Stamen contain, this is the diagram of the stamen, where you can see that right. So this is called anther, this is filament and collectively known as a stem. So today we will discuss the development of the male gametophyte here in this part, that is anther. So we'll see that what happened here and what are the structures that are present here in this structure. So let us start with this. So we know that anther is a bilobe structure, right? Anther is the bilobe structure, is bilobe structure, right? And each lobe having two theca. So the diagram is just like this. Bilobed 1, 2, and bilobed having two theca, 1, 2 theca, 1, 2 thecas. Like this condition is present. This is called bithecus and dithecus conditions in anther, right? So after this we'll move on to the next page. So we'll draw the diagram of this TS of anther, and here you can see the parts of anther. So if we look at this diagram, so you can clearly see that this outermost layer is called epidermis, this outermost is called epidermis, then below epidermis there is called endothecium, the inner layer of the epidermis is endothecium, then there is a presence of middle layer, below the middle layer there is a presence of tapetum, tapetum is there, this one, just wait. So this is called, this layer is known as tapetum. Now what is tapetum and what are the functions of tapetum? So tapetum is the inner layer of or you can also call the outer layer of the sporogenous tissue, which protect the sporogenous tissue. This function of tapetum to provide the nourishment to developing pollen grains, ये pollen grain को nourishment provide करवाएगा. Second important thing is that this tapetum also produce sporopolanin, right? The function of this sporopolanin, this is the diagram of the pollen grain, and if you look at the diagram, so you can clearly understand this is the diagram of pollen grain. This is exine, inner layer is called intine. Exine is made up of sporopolanin and intine is made up of cellulose and pectic substance, right? So this exine is made up of sporopolanin, which is produced and secreted by the tapetum. This sporopolanin is very hard resistance and help in the fossilization of the sperm. So keep in mind that this is very important because it helps in the the